Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here on Bike Hunt, I hunt down the best bikes so you don't have to. Today I've got something really special. I finally got my hands on the brand new Aventon Abound LR, a cargo e-bike that might just be your next car replacement. I'll walk you through my personal experience unboxing, assembling, and riding this beast. I will talk about features, real-world performance, and whether it's worth your money. And hey, if you love bikes, e-bikes, and everything in between, hit that subscribe button like it's your throttle. I've got plenty more coming your way. Now let's dig in. When the Abound LR box arrived, I felt like a kid on Christmas morning. I grabbed my trusty scissors and snipped off the plastic straps. Inside was the accessory box, neatly packed, and I set it aside for later. With a friend's help, I removed the top section of the box to reveal the bike. We lifted it out carefully. This isn't a lightweight road bike. It's solid. I popped the kickstand down and started peeling off all the protective packaging. Carefully, especially around the handlebars and delicate bits that I grabbed my 5mm hex wrench to mount the handlebars. The instructions were pretty clear. Align the bars, tighten in an X pattern to about 8 to 10 Newton meters. Installing the front fender, adjusting the headlight angle, and mounting the front took a bit of fiddling, but it wasn't bad at all. Pro tip, don't forget to grease your through axle and pedals. It'll save you creaks and squeaks down the line. Installing the footboards was straightforward, and adjusting the suspension seat post was a nice touch. I set mine for a softer ride. Oh, and the storage box under the rear rack. Super handy. I even reset the combo lock to my birthday. Shh, don't tell anyone. Setting up the display was simple. Press and hold the power button. Pair the app via QR code, and I was connected in minutes. Aventon's app isn't bad at all. And yes, I did the firmware update because, well, I'm that guy. First off, the torque sensor makes the ride buttery smooth. Unlike cadence sensors that just guess what you're doing, this thing responds instantly and naturally. The dual battery ports future-proof the bike for longer range, though mine came with just one, and the integrated turn signals and lights are awesome for city commuting. I love the low-step frame. Makes it easy to hop on with bags, groceries, or even a kid on the back. I've been riding the Abound LR all week, and honestly, it feels like a car alternative. I hauled groceries, took it to the park, and even did a small IKEA run. The rear hub motor is strong, especially when loaded, and the suspension seat post and fat tires make it super comfortable. The torque sensor makes climbing hills feel smooth and natural, and the braking is solid. No sketchy moments even downhill. I do wish the throttle had a little more punch from standstill, but once you get rolling, it's more than enough. The Aventon Abound LR isn't cheap, but compared to the cost of a second car, gas, insurance, parking, it starts to look like a pretty solid investment. With a rear rack rated up to 143 pounds, great battery life, and a smooth ride, this thing is a genuine car replacer for urban life that, if you're someone who wants to ditch the car for local errands, kid drop-offs, or even daily commutes, this bike can do it. Just add a second battery, and you're unstoppable. I'll be honest, I didn't think a cargo e-bike could fit so easily into my life, but the Abound LR made me rethink that. It's strong, comfortable, easy to ride, and actually fun. I'm already using it more than my car. And that's saying something. If you're on the fence, give it a try. I'll keep riding and give a 1-month update soon. And hey, if you found this helpful, give that subscribe button a little pedal love. It costs you nothing, but helps me keep chasing down the best bikes out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next ride. Peace.